Cheer up with Hema. Kada is a quill bird. It simply looks like a small hen. Okay, let's start with its preparation. First, wash it with the water. To this, let's add the ingredients for 65. So, first we have to clean it nicely. Add ginger garlic paste, salt, next red chili powder 2 tablespoons, and curry leaves. To this, add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, and now squeeze the lemon. Nicely mix all the ingredients and marinate it for 30 minutes. After marination, deep fry it in the oil. Our Kada recipe is ready to serve now. Come, let's go and taste.